We got the custom-made SSR wheels in today. Yes, just got these wheels in literally just moments ago. It is 8 p.m., 7 hours for those who go by Zulu time. And I'm going to open them up and share them with you all. And we're going to talk a little bit about what's going on as far as everything is concerned and what everything is. Let's get these bad boys in here. Oh, yes. So I might be out of camera a little bit. Went ahead, decided to do a new set of custom wheels for the build since we are doing this update. I think it's only right with the amount of things that are happening with this car and the extent to where things are going with this body that we do another set of wheels. Okay. So these wheels, I'm very excited about opening them. There are some special touches that I plan to show you that I incorporated and that I am incorporating throughout the rest of this build to just put my own personality touch on things. So let's go ahead and open these wheels up without me cutting myself. This doesn't have to be a long video. I think we can spend more time talking about some of the things that are definitely going to happen. Let me get out of view a little bit. Accidentally cut into the face or anything like that. All right, and there we go. Oh my gosh. Wait till you see what's in here. I mean, you know what's in here, but wait till you see it. I'm loving the way this looks. This one, I can't even tell if this is the by 9 or 9.5 because I am running staggered and different offset, but I don't care which one it is. This looks good. Let me hurry up and get this out of here so you all can see it. Oh my goodness. Let's get, be careful, be careful, be careful. And there it is. There it is. Now, if you see here, I have incorporated my own logo on the wheels. That's some of the personal touch, my own logo. If you notice some rebranding, that is the new logo for Wolfpack. And there it is. It is on the wheels, not SSR. These are SSRs, those. Custom made, gloss black lip, matte face. And then I chose to keep the barrels the way they are. Saves a little money, but we will be doing something with that. And I see this here, which we may do something with that just to make the wheels a bit more crisp. But I am loving the way these wheels came out. They did an excellent job with following the plan. And oh my goodness, I'm loving these gold buttons. So these are the new wheels. This one is the, what is this one? This looks like 9.5, but it should be 9. So one of these is by 9s, one of these by 9.5s. I got to open them all and see, and then we'll go from there. But yes, definitely loving the way these wheels came out. Like, no doubt. These look damn good. So let me sit down so you can see me. So as you see, logos incorporated on the wheels. These are the new set: black, gloss black, matte black, gold buttons. Loving them. All right, it's not a long video, just an update video to let you see the new stuff that just came in. So I hope you all like it. I'm liking it, and there will be more stuff coming that has not been opened yet that will be opened here as well as on Instagram Live. Also, do not forget the podcast is up, and that's at wolfpackperformance.podbean.com. It's also available on other platforms like Spotify, iTunes, Pandora, iHeartRadio, like Alexa, Amazon. It is available plenty of places so you can listen to the podcast. By now, several episodes should be loaded up. Great information, great people, owners in the industry, businesses in the industry, builders in the industry coming on to the show as guests, sharing their knowledge and experiences with us. So it is an awesome thing. We're all building together. Join the family, subscribe, like, follow, all of that. And we're going to keep rolling with this build, okay? The song is also out. Hopefully you've heard that. Super weak. You can catch that on any digital platform to stream that as well. We just pushing, okay? So, I mean, I just finished working out, got my shirt. I don't even have to just build a shirt on. I finished working out. I saw these wheels came in. I was like, yo, I got to open them up. So now you see them. Now I'm about to go finish eating and chill. I hope y'all like what you see. Peace. Just build it. Had to do that.